How to fix messages not delivered on your iPhone. So if you're trying to send an SMS text message and you're getting the error not delivered, I'm going to show you a few ways on how to go and fix this issue. So the first thing you can do is go and open up the Messages app, and you can see here it will say not delivered. So this is either going to be a green message or a blue message if it's on iMessage, but I'm going to show you fixes for both of them. So what you need to do is head over to the home screen on your phone and then use your finger to swipe down in the top right hand side of the screen. Now, first of all, you need to make sure that your SIM card is actually working correctly. So you can see in the top left-hand side, you should see the name of your SIM card carrier. If you see anything here like no signal or no SIM, that will be the reason why the messages are not sending. So what you can try doing is removing the SIM card from your phone. You can then try giving it a quick clean and reinserting it back into the phone, and you can check to see if your SIM card is now working. Now, if you've already done this or your SIM card is working correctly, then what you'll need to do is go and open up the settings on your iPhone. You can then try turning on the airplane mode, wait around 10 seconds and then turn this feature off. You'll then need to click on mobile service, scroll down to your list of SIM cards and go and select the SIM card that you're currently using. Now make sure turn on this line is enabled like this. You can then click on mobile data network and then just press reset settings and then come back over to the previous window. Now click on the back arrow once again, select default voice line, and make sure you have the correct SIM card selected. Once you've tried all of this, you can then try resending your text message and checking if that solves the issue. Now, if it's still not working, head back over to your settings. You can then scroll down to the very bottom of the page and select apps. Scroll down to messages and go and click on this. Now scroll down to iMessage and make sure this is turned on. You could then scroll down to MMS messaging and also make sure this is turned on. You can also make sure retry as text message is turned on. If it's still not working, head back over to the main settings page, click on general and then select software update. Make sure your iPhone is fully up to date, as this can also cause issues with your text messaging. Now, if you have tried all of these steps and it's still not working, you'll need to go and power cycle your phone. Now, we can do this with a simple key combination. So we're going to tap the volume up button, the volume down button, and then hold the lock screen button on the right hand side of your phone. Now continue to hold the lock screen button down for around about 45 seconds. You'll see the iPhone screen will go completely black. Just continue to hold the lock screen button down. When you see the Apple logo, that's when you can release the lock screen button. You can then wait for your phone to restart, and you should now be able to send iMessages and also SMS messages.